Hello everybody, happy December. Ian Rusnell here, Business Sotheby's International Realty. I'm here with your November market update for Manhattan Beach. Ready? Let's get into it. Okay, so as of right now, we have 66 homes on the market in Manhattan Beach. 14 income properties, 6 townhomes, 44 homes on the market for sale between 1.5 million and 25 million. Okay, let's take a look at how those homes are selling. Last month in November, in the Sand section, 11 homes leased and 12 properties sold. There are 13 homes in escrow and 29 for sale right now. In the Hills section, there's just 1 home leased and 1 home that's sold off market actually. There's 1 escrow in the Hills section and 6 homes for sale in the Hills section. In the Tree section, there are 8 homes leased, 7 sold, 1 in escrow and 9 are for sale right now. In East Manhattan Beach, there are 4 homes that leased, 6 sold, 13 in escrow, and 10 for sale. When I say East Manhattan, we're referring to everything east of Sepulveda, which includes Manhattan Heights, Liberty Village, Manhattan Village, and Costa sections. Okay, so if you're looking at 26 homes sold, 28 in escrow, and 66 on the market, looking at an absorption rate of around 3 months or so, a little bit different in each section. So there you have a quick update at Manhattan Beach. If you have questions about your home's value, or if you're thinking about moving out of Manhattan or within Manhattan from one section to the other, give me a call. I'm at 310-866-7586. I'm here helping you with home. I'm Ian Rusnell, delivering the service you expect and the results you deserve.